Are you trying to pick the best DDR5 RAM for gaming without overpaying or complicating your build? Relax, because I've got a clean, fast rundown that helps you spot the performance gains without the guesswork. Today, I'm going to be going over the best DDR5 RAM for gaming that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36. From unboxing the Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36, the understated silhouette and premium finish signal a product designed for serious gamers. This kit targets enthusiasts who crave high-capacity DDR5 memory without compromising stability during demanding workloads and marathon gaming sessions. Its 32GB kit size aligns with multitasking needs, delivering smooth performance across modern titles and productivity workloads. The aluminum heat spreader feels rugged, and the modules maintain a compact profile to fit beneath most large air coolers. Dimensions stay proportionate, and the robust connectors ensure reliable seating in dual-channel configurations across popular motherboards. Corsair keeps a restrained aesthetic with a dark finish that blends into any build, while subtle bezels add visual interest. The Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 operates at DDR5 6400MT with solid timings on compatible motherboards, boosting bandwidth during gaming and content creation. On chosen platforms, the speed tier reduces texture streaming stutter and accelerates data caching during open-world adventures. The modules are built with high-density dies and an integrated cooler to sustain throughput through extended gaming marathons. In our benchmarks, Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 delivered consistent frame pacing and steady memory bandwidth across a varied game suite. During sustained workloads, latency remained stable and power consumption stayed within expected bounds for a high-speed DDR5 kit. We also tested multitasking with streaming and editing, noting smooth transitions as memory bandwidth kept pace with concurrent tasks. When compared with a rival like the G.SKILL 32GB DDR5 6400 kit, Corsair CMH32GX5M2B6400C36 emphasizes build quality and tuning tools. The pros include 32GB capacity, DDR5 6400 speed, and premium heat spreader. The cons include high price and limited availability. At number 4, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36. Initial impressions emphasize a premium memory solution designed for enthusiasts and serious gamers seeking stable performance, long-term reliability, and quiet operation. This 32GB total kit comprises two 16GB modules, providing ample headroom for modern games, multitasking, and future-proofing. The form factor remains standard dim height with robust heat spreaders, ensuring broad compatibility across most mid-tower and larger chassis builds. The heat spreader integrates gleaming aluminum fins and a low-profile silhouette that balances aggressive thermal performance with compatibility across crowded motherboards. Each module measures a typical 7mm in thickness and shares a standardized 80mm height, aiding straightforward installation. Designed for DDR5 and supporting XMP up to 6000 MTS, it enables auto-overclocking through motherboard firmware for extra headroom. Rigorous component sourcing, tight tolerances, and a dual-rank design optimize bandwidth, stability, and compatibility with a variety of CPUs. The kit uses a premium heat spreader and includes a 135V operating voltage specification, which helps sustain performance during extended gaming sessions. In real-world testing on a modern Ryzen 9 system, bandwidth and timings deliver smoother frame pacing and reduce stutter in open-world titles. Thermal behavior remains stable under sustained load, with temperatures staying within safe margins, thanks to the efficient heat spreader and adequate airflow. In gaming benchmarks, frame rates show modest uplift over baseline DDR5 kits, while multitasking during streaming shows negligible dip due to ample capacity. Overall reliability appears robust across popular platforms including Intel and AMD motherboards, with stable operation across varying memory slots and BIOS revisions. Compared to the G.SKILL Trident Z5 DDR5 6000 kit, the Corsair kit delivers similar bandwidth while offering simpler tuning through XMP profiles. The pros include excellent heat dissipation, strong overclocking potential, and reliable performance under load. The cons include higher price and limited RGB options. At number 3, we have the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W. From the first glance, The kit signals premium build quality and a design intended for performance-minded gamers and content creators. Its value proposition centers on speed, reliability under heavy workloads, and straightforward compatibility across modern motherboards and platforms. The target audience clearly includes overclocking enthusiasts who demand stable XMP profiles paired with aggressive memory timings. The components boast a robust aluminum heat spreader that dissipates heat efficiently, helping maintain performance during extended gaming sessions or rendering. The architecture emphasizes uniform contact with the DIMM and a low-profile footprint that minimizes clearance issues on compact builds. Visuals are understated and clean, with a sleek silver-gray finish that blends into most motherboard aesthetics without drawing attention. Technically, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W is with latencies around CL36 to deliver brisk responsiveness in gaming and multitasking. The kit uses a tight tolerance PCB and premium memory ICs to ensure stability for Corsair CMH32GX5M26000C36W under heavy overclocks and sustained bandwidth. Power delivery on the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W DIMMs includes well-spaced components to facilitate airflow and cooling for thermal headroom. In real-world tests, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W kit maintains stable clocks under prolonged gaming sessions and during heavy multitasking workloads. Benchmarks show consistent memory bandwidth and reduced latency for the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W compared with older kits, translating to smoother frame rates. Thermal performance remains solid, with Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W temperatures staying within safe margins during extended gaming sessions and simultaneous streaming workloads. When stacked against the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo DDR5 6000 kit, the Corsair CMH32GX5M2E6000C36W delivers comparable bandwidth with smoother compatibility, but slightly higher timings. The pros include excellent build quality, strong performance at high memory speeds, and stable operation across multiple platforms. The cons include higher price point, which can deter some buyers, and occasional clearance issues with some motherboard heatsinks. At number 2, we have the crucial CT2K16G56C46S5. From the moment you unbox it, the sleek, low-profile design signals premium targeting mid to high-end gaming rigs. The heat spreader uses a durable metal alloy with precise milling, while the compact height ensures compatibility with taller air coolers. Designed for enthusiasts building high-frequency DDR5 systems who demand stable performance across long gaming sessions and demanding titles. The kit runs at DDR5 5600M TCUs, delivering bandwidth suitable for modern GPUs and CPUs today, while maintaining tight voltage and stability. The kit also ships with Intel XMP3, zero profile support for easy one-click overclocking and stable performance under load. In our testing with a mid-range 12th Gen CPU, we observed a stable 506 memory profile with no perceptible latency spikes. Gaming benchmarks showed consistent frame rates across titles like Cyberpunk 2007 and Shadow of the Tomb Raider with minimal VRAM bottlenecks. Power efficiency and heat are well managed, and there was no thermal throttling even during extended sessions. The 16GB kit uses two 8GB modules arranged as dual rank for improved bandwidth efficiency. Aesthetics align with most motherboards thanks to a matte gray finish and understated branding that suits premium builds. The memory sticks stay cool during heavy gaming loads, contributing to steadier performance and consistent frame pacing. When compared against the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 kit with similar speed, the crucial CT2K16G56C46S5 demonstrates more consistent timings and better value. The pros include fast DDR5 performance, excellent stability, and great value. The cons include higher price and limited availability. At number 1, we have the G.SKILL F5600J3038F160X2TZ5NR. From first glance, it targets enthusiasts and PC builders seeking premium DDR5 performance with reliable overclocking headroom for gaming and workflow. The build quality centers on a robust aluminum heat spreader with a slim profile that fits most motherboards without clearance issues. The kit delivers 32GB of total capacity spread across two 16GB modules, ideal for modern gaming and multitasking. Operating at DDR5 6000 with tight timings, the kit emphasizes bandwidth efficiency and improved prefetch for smoother textures and AI tasks. Its Expo and XMP profile support simplifies automatic tuning, letting users achieve rated speeds with a single BIOS application. In practical gaming tests, it maintains stable frame delivery with virtually no perceptible lag during open-world sequences. Compared to the Corsair Dominator Platinum DDR5 kit, its price per gigabyte and thermals offer competitive value without throttling. The pros include excellent stability at 6000 MHz, exceptionally efficient heat dissipation, and distinctly strong value for performance users. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level kits and occasional stability sensitivity on older boards under certain conditions. The kit's dimensions are standard for DIMMs, ensuring compatibility with most mid-towers and larger air coolers, even compact builds. The packaging and included documentation emphasize reliability and RMA support, which matters greatly for first-time buyers evaluating risk. In multi-application benchmarks, the memory showed consistent bandwidth gains across content creation tasks, benefiting editors, renderers, and simulators. During overclocking potential, it maintained stability with auto-tuning and manual latencies within expected ranges across diverse workloads. The kit's thermal performance under prolonged gaming sessions remained within safe margins, avoiding thermal throttling and minimizing fan noise. Overall, the G.SKILL L56000J3038F160GX2TZ5NR stands out as a high-performance, reliable option for gamers and content creators seeking future-proof DDR5 memory.